Oppo launched the Find X8 series in November, which marked the return to several key markets. The company wants its fans to feel comfortable about owning a pricey flagship, so it is announcing premium services, which will be available to users in select countries. The Oppo Find X8 and Find X8 Pro are covered by an international warranty service in 62 countries and regions. You can seek out the local Oppo service center for support, repairs, maintenance, and software updates. Oppo has hired and trained over 12,000 customer service representatives and engineers worldwide to help service your phone. Oppo will provide a free screen protection plan to Find X8 series owners in markets like Indonesia, Vietnam, and Malaysia. This includes a one-time free screen replacement for accidental damage. Additionally, the warranty is extended by 12 months. In select markets, users will be able to call a hotline for help. The representative can direct them to offline service centers, where you will have access to premium lanes to move things quickly, and you will get a premium loaner phone while yours is being repaired. The service centers can also perform maintenance like cleaning your device. If there's no nearby offline repair service, Oppo will offer free send-in and pick-up repair services in select regions, so you will still get repairs on the same standard.